Yo, hey guys, you know today I'm in the new update for Animal Company, and we are going to be driving and hitting some sick, crazy drift clips. Like what? Okay, so now we're at the new map. Now it's up here. Now watch. I'm gonna hit these ramps. Fire. You see that 360, bro? Oh. Look, I'm cooking! I'm cooking! You guys! Oh my gosh! No! Guys, look at this! I'm wall surfing! Well, I'm wall driving. Yo! I'm cooking! I'm cooking! No one can beat me, bro! 360! That's why the heck not? Ready, watch it. Okay, let's stop, Okay, let's try to do this ramp. Oh my gosh. Guys, bye guys!